how did you guys get started? Tell me more about your journey.
Okay, so the founder of the company is Mark Gumbley. He has been working in the industry for over 20 years. So he started a company working more in the residential space. The company has taken a bit of a transition since the beginning to go into more the commercial sector, and since then it's really boomed. Beginning of last year alone, we had about 8 people. And now we've got about 40 staff on the books. Yeah, and
Within a year.
yeah, it's been a crazy ride, but I think that's credit to Mark's experience, running a big team, having been in the game for a long time, and to be honest, we don't advertise ourselves, in any way. It's all through word of mouth and a lot of repeat business with our clients.
So you grew a lot the last year. How long were you guys in business before that?
All right, so we started in 2019, and
Wow,
perhaps
that's incredible.
And it was pretty well Mark and a few others doing the residential projects, and the numbers didn't really extend further beyond that until we got into commercial.
So, some businesses, they end up dealing with people like us, first year, second year. One guy was in business 30 something years. I said to him, why now? So I've got to ask you, why now for you guys? So you've been running for 4 years. Like, is it commercial jobs that are saying, hey, we want to make sure you're doing things a certain way, or like what drove you to do this?
All right, so the key things that I suppose we try and do well as a company is provide great quality and customer service. The next thing is health and safety of our employees and also our subcontractors. Environmental is a big factor and something that we've got to work our way through, and we've also got to play our part in managing and also setting things correctly to ensure that we create better spaces rather than damaging it along the process. Quality, safety, environmental, it really, I couldn't think of anything better to sort of showcase that we value those key aspects. And that's where we thought that ISO accreditation will be very valuable thing for us to obtain. And it also shows our client that we take these things seriously. And we also want to do business with companies and also clients that take those topics and matters very seriously as well.
I think you and I should switch spots today. Because this is what I'm telling people all the time too. Yes. You got this achievement now recently, you've been certified. What are you guys thinking that's going to do for, the next year, 2, 3? Are you planning to grow off that, or do you have any plans?
I think when I first started, sort of at the beginning transition of when we got into the commercial sector, I sat down with Mark and said, hey, how should we grow this? What do you think our staff level will be at this particular time? And, we've hit that target well and truly, above and beyond our imagination. So, it's really exciting to see what the future brings for us, our company and all the workers that work within. And hopefully we continue to provide great service to our clients.